Okay. Yeah, will do, man. Yeah, as soon as it gets here, I'll shoot you a ring. All right. Thanks, Kevin. This is a children's show, so I'm not gonna curse. But these carts are not here yet that we ordered a week ago. Brand new cart, brand new line. Customer's been stoked on this cart for a couple weeks now. And ultimately, it seems like every day we're like, oh my God, it's gonna be here next week. Oh, it's gonna be here next week. Well, now we're in the last few days. Dude's calling every day now. 4-passenger Ford, super cool little Candy cart, and Candy is the name of the manufacturer. Our driver is up at the plant right now, and they are literally building them while he's waiting there. He was supposed to pick him up at 2 o'clock. He got there at 2 o'clock. He's now 4 o'clock. It is 4 o'clock right now. They aren't even on the trailer yet. So as soon as they get here, it's probably be 6, 7 at night. We'll call the customer. He's gonna come down here and pick up his damn new cart. Like he's excited about it. So all in a day's work, man. The best thing about golf carts is when you sell them, you're selling joy, right? Like these people are stoked to get their cart. This is family time. This is enjoying the lake, enjoying the community. So just can be a little frustrating waiting.
Kept telling them it's not supposed to be that high.
Well, all it's gotta do is gonna come.
Well, we need to do it.
Maybe they are right. I don't know. But anyway, I'll see you guys
All right,
tomorrow.
bye.
They're definitely not right.
But we could. Oh.
Tip said they mounted the whole thing wrong. Do your thing, honey.
Okay.
I bought us until 9:15, so move your ass.
You ready? Yep.
Welcome to the 2024 Candy 4-Passenger Pro. This is what they look like in the dark. Unfortunately, you won't get to see it in the light.
Until I sell another one.
Until you get your own.
That's just when you call me big pop, but it's gonna be a first time. Pop, pop, pop.
It is 5 minutes prior to 9:30 p.m. We finally got the carts in by about 8:30. We got an exo gear installed. We got the PI done, brakes adjusted, bolts tightened, some things corrected, and we are about to go deliver this thing to a customer who's leaving the country. Otherwise, we just wait till tomorrow. But we're stick through. These are the moments that make you or break you. We're gonna go deliver this thing tonight. We got to drive about 30 minutes away. But my goodness, first ones to hit the ground is the 4-Passenger Pro. Amazing cart. 25 miles an hour. Thing's got 150 amp hour lithium battery. Super stoked about it. I think the customer will be too. Let's go get this thing delivered. Alright guys, we'll see you on the next.